Hello, here's a very quick and easy recipe for tender and juicy chicken that you can serve with rice and a salad like I did here. So I will start by preparing the chicken. So we want to cut off this excess skin so that the chicken looks good as it goes into the oven. So grab your pair of kitchen shears and just cut off all the excess skin that is hanging off the meat of the chicken. And then once you have all the pieces ready, set them in a large bowl. So you only want to do this with the chicken thighs. I think drumsticks are usually quite okay. They don't have a lot of excess skin. Now this is my seasoning mix. Go ahead and mix your dry seasonings and just sprinkle them all over the chicken. I have this in the description box, but feel free to adjust the amount. Maybe you want to use less seasoning, that's okay. Um, and then when you're done rubbing in the dry seasoning, drizzle some vegetable oil on it and then just rub it until all the seasoning, all the chicken is nicely coated with seasoning. Marinate for about an hour. That's optional. You could go straight away ahead and bake the chicken. That's fine. Go ahead and lay it on a baking dish like this one and then bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 50 minutes. Our chicken is sizzling hot. I served it with jollof rice, and my recipe for jollof rice is coming up soon. And then I added in some bit of kachumbari or onion tomato salad, which is really a good complement to this dish. And the meal was very yummy. So I hope you love this recipe too. Um, Before you go, please do check out my books on Amazon. I have wonderful notebooks that you might like. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.